Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Chief of Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic Boarding School Al-Mukarram Kiai Haji Muhammad Hasan Mutawakil Allah SHMM, The Honorable Director of Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic University, Dr. Abdul Aziz BAMAG, The Honorable my advisors, Dr. Muhammad Hifdil Islam MPD and Miss Raudatul Islam MPD, the unforgettable my parents. My name is Dwi Intan Puji Masyaro. I'm student of English Education Department at Zainul Hasan Islamic University. Today I'm going to present about my thesis proposal entitled Analysis of Teacher Strategies Towards Student Anxiety in Speaking English. Chapter 1 Introductions. Background of the study. English is an international language that is used in various countries, and speakings are needed to communicate with other people. But some people have problems in their speaking skills, such as anxiety, especially for students. Therefore, the teacher are required to have a good strategies in teaching English. The reasons why the researcher choose this title and choose the MTSN2 Probolinggo as a place for research is, from my previous experience during my teaching practice there, I found some students felt anxious when they speak English, and that made me interested to find out the cause and how the teacher overcome it. Focus of the study. This research focused on the factors that cause student anxiety in speaking English and how the teacher strategies towards student anxiety in speaking English. Statements of the problem. Based on the background of the study, the researcher formulates the problems in this research are: what factors that cause student anxiety in speaking English, and what are the teacher strategies towards student anxiety in speaking English? Objective of the study: to analyze the factors that cause student anxiety in speaking English and to analyze the teacher strategies towards student anxiety in speaking English. Significance of the study. This study hope can help the teacher to find a good strategy in teaching English, and for students this study can help overcome their anxiety and students can learn comfortably with the strategies provided by the teachers. Previous study. The novelty of this research is, in the previous study above, the object of the research was students of senior high school, but in this research, the object of the research is students of junior high school, and in this research focus on two interconnected problems, namely the factor student anxiety in speaking English and the teacher strategies towards student anxiety in speaking English. 2. Review of related literature. Speaking. According to Brown, speaking is an interactive process of construction, meaning that involves the process of receiving, producing, and processing information. Speaking is one of the skills needed to learn a language. The ability to speak is very important to convey in our mind to other people. Anxiety. According to Mehta and friends, anxiety is a temporary emotional state and conditions in a person characterized by a tense and anxious feeling that is felt consciously and subjective and leaves the activity of the autonomic nervous system as a condition related to special environmental situations. So, anxiety is one of the factors that can hinder the students' speaking abilities. Some of the reasons are a lack of vocabulary, poor of grammar, and fear of negative evaluations from friends or the teachers, and etc. Teacher strategies. According to Aswan, teaching strategy is a teacher's plan in the teaching and learning process to achieve a purpose that has been planned. Strategies have an important role in the teaching and learning process. Speaking skills are typically signs of successful language learning. Crocker and Oxford state there are 5 strategies in teaching English, such as discussions group, pair work, using games, using student allowance, and drama. Chapter 3. Methods of the research. Approach and type of the research. This research uses a descriptive qualitative research. Moluk states that this is a research procedure that obtains written and verbal descriptive data on people and observe their behavior. The researcher used a qualitative method because this study aims to determine factors affecting student speaking anxiety and how the teacher strategies towards student anxiety in speaking English. Researcher presence. Because this research uses a qualitative method, so the presence of the researcher is important. Because the researcher acts as a research instrument as well as a data collector. Research data and source. The researcher used a primary and secondary data source. Primary data sources were obtained directly from information search. The researcher will conduct classroom observations and interview with student and teacher. Secondary data source is a collection of information that has previously existed and used to complement the research data needs, such as from the journals, books, and previous study. Data collection technique. There are 3 steps in the data collection technique in this research, namely observations. The researcher will enter the class and observe the anxiety that students feel and completing field notes observations. And interview. The researcher will interview 10 students and 1 English teacher. Documentations. Documentations will be taken through by taking photos and recordings, interview, and lesson plans. Data analysis technique. The technique used to analyze the data is data reductions. The researcher identified factors affecting student speaking anxiety and the strategies used by the teachers towards student anxiety in speaking English. Data display. The researcher will offer the information in the form of an interview report table. Conclusions. The researcher will summarize the reports to show the findings based on evidence. Checking validity of findings. In this study, the research has applied data triangulations. To achieve data validations, the study verified data from interview. Meanwhile, the study examines theories related to the factors affecting student speaking anxiety and the teacher strategies toward student anxiety in speaking English. That's all from me. Thanks for your attention. I do apologize for making mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.